Hi, this is Jeremy, Hackachain's AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Opact Wallet. Go to wallet.opact.io. Click Create Your Wallet. It's good to remember that Opact is different from a regular wallet since it works as a smart contract. But the process to create your Opact wallet is similar to creating a regular one. Now that you have it, what you want to do is to add funds to it. Opact is on testnet, and we have made it easy to get faucet tokens to your regular wallet before adding it to Opact Wallet. You must copy the Wallet Connect code, open your Koala Wallet application, and paste it to start the connection with Opact Wallet. For the mobile web app, Opact currently works only with the Koala Wallet. Now just go back to Opact Wallet, wait a few seconds and click Get Tokens. Once you've done it, you can deposit the tokens into your Opact Wallet. Do it by clicking Receive and following the process with your Koala Wallet, again with the help of the Wallet Connect integration. Keep in mind that you have to manually switch between the applications to connect and sign transactions, just like the video shows. After connecting the Koala Wallet, switch back to Opact and click Deposit Now and wait for your zero-knowledge proof to be generated. Don't worry, it might take some minutes. Come back to your Koala app and sign the transaction. This whole process is necessary to guarantee you're keeping privacy on your transactions. Now you've deposited tokens into your Opact wallet, just like you can check the History tab. You can now perform transactions to other Opact wallets or withdraw again to a regular wallet. Just select the amount and the account you want to send to. In this example, I'm withdrawing from Opact Wallet back to my regular Koala Wallet. Click Send Token and wait for the transaction to complete. That's it, and you can check everything on the History tab. Thanks for watching, and feel free to provide us your feedback. We'd love to hear it.